I'm never gonna lose my wallet again. So what I have now is the Tile Slim, and I'm gonna unbox it and give my first impression and review on it. So, gonna start on the unboxing. So just before I begin, if you do like the content that I'm going to put out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more so I can know to continue the series. But just getting started, there's a little tab right here that you can pull up to get inside. Oops. And the search is over. I'm actually a person who loses a lot of stuff, so this is pretty cool. So welcome to the world's largest lost and found community. I'm not even gonna try and speak in Spanish and embarrass myself, but this is it. This is the actual product itself. Kind of looks like the Tesla car key for the Model 3. I might just carry this around, but it's actually pretty lightweight, to be honest with you. So it can easily fit. I'm saying easily before I even put it in my wallet. Okay, I'm just gonna slide it where my bills are. It's actually not that much thicker. Wow. So now I'm gonna download the app and show you guys what it's like. Okay, so right now I am downloading the Tile app, and I actually have heard rumors that Apple is going to come out with their own Tile-like product. Hopefully it'll be announced later this month in March. So it's telling me welcome to Tile. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so now it's telling me to click the Tile button and it'll play a nice tune. So that's interesting. So as you can see right here, the Tile button is here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click it. Whoa, I was not expecting that. Hold your device next to the phone. It may take up to 10 seconds. Wow, this is really interesting. Next, so it's going to be my wallet. Try finding your Tile. Tap, find your ring. That's really loud. Let me put it in my wallet and just toss it somewhere. Oh yeah, that'd actually be nice. I didn't know you could do that. I can find my phone with that. Oh my gosh. I have to double press the Tile button. Skip, we're gonna do that later. So, might as well allow it. Interesting. I'm not a person that always allows, but for this instance, I will allow it. I don't want premium. Yeah, you can send me notifications. So, wallet. Okay, this is showing my location, so I don't know if I should be showing this. Oh, I can change the ringtone. Nice. It's too much. Why are these all like super electronic-y? Hey! I found the one. So I'm back in the Tile app. I have my phone again, or my Tile again, so I'm gonna hit find. Yeah, the max volume is way too loud in my opinion. Way too loud. Cool. Cool. And then okay, stop. Let's look at the more options. So wallet. There we go. It's all nice info. Siri shortcuts. No. If I lose my phone, I can pull out my wallet and just that is actually useful. I did not know that the Tile can be used to find my phone. So it's actually two finders for me. So let's say, for example, I lost my phone. I can just double tap this and I can find my phone, which is really useful instead of using Find My iPhone if I don't have an iPhone with me or a MacBook. Now let me try again. Throw that across the room. I like it. Crazy. Okay, let's look at smart alerts. Okay, gotta have that. Siri shortcut. Find my wallet. She's trying. I'll go get my wallet. For one, I like the design. I don't know how long, I don't know if there's like a battery in this or something, but for sure this is a keep. I'm definitely gonna keep this because I do lose my wallet and my phone, and having this external device to be able to find both of them is really convenient. I'm not sure how wide the distance is. If you are a person who is not mindful about the stuff that you have, like me, I would say it's very useful to have. If Apple does come out with a product like this, I will definitely review the item that they have as well, but I know that it's Apple, so it's gonna be marked up like an extra $50 with the Apple logo, but it's Apple, you gotta have it. So even though I'm not gonna be purchasing the premium, I'm just gonna go through and see what it has. So it's saying that it has smart alerts, which is in beta, free battery replacement. So I was right, there is some type of battery in there. Not sure how long that lasts. And then there's a 30-day location history. Good for your kids if you have kids. Glad I'm not a kid right now anymore. But so smart alert beta, get notifications when you leave without the things you need. Free battery replacement. We automatically ship new batteries to you every year, so you never run out finding power. It's cool. Oh, it's only on replaceable models. So I guess the ones that I have, or the one that I have, the Slim, it doesn't have the battery replacement. And another concern that I have with my wallet was it has protection of, what's it called? Like people scanning it when they walk by. So I thought that would affect the tile, but I guess not, which I think is really useful. Location history, that's cool. Good for parents. Extended warranty, good. Because, you know, stuff never breaks when it's in warranty. It's only like the day after. Unlimited sharing. So, I can share tiles with my friends and family. Good for kids. Premium customer care. Interesting. I would like customer care to be the same if I'm a regular user or I'm a premium user. I hope I get the same service. I'm never gonna lose my wallet again. I can be like, oh, where's my wallet? I'm sorry, this ringtone is just, makes me so happy. So the tile is staying in the wallet. I would say you definitely gotta have it. The link is in the description below if you wanna purchase it on Amazon. If you like this series, I'm gonna be doing more of this. It's not gonna be like any crazy expensive things yet because, you know, I don't make that YouTube money. But if you like it, please make sure to leave a like. Comment down below if you bought the tile or if you have one. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love. See ya.